Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I am loving life freely here on YouTube. I am a full-time reseller on platforms like eBay and Poshmark. I also do kids clothes on Whatnot. These two boxes have been sitting here for a little bit, so stay tuned and see what we're doing this time. Okay guys, if you are new to my channel, I'd love to say welcome to you. If you are returning, I would like to say thank you so much. I'm super excited about seeing the numbers that I'm seeing on YouTube, and it's due to you guys. I love sharing this content with you. I love sharing my journey with you. What's working, what's not working, talking about being resellers on a weekly chat. We've had some great interaction on our weekly chats. You guys, if you're not watching those, please feel free to watch the weekly chats. There's been great conversation, great feedback. I believe that as resellers, the interaction, learning and growing from each other, also if you have thoughts on things, it's just been so great. So I would like to say thank you to you all for helping me grow my channel to where it is already. Thank you so much for following. Thank you so much for your support, for watching. It means a lot to me. And I'm excited. I'm pushing 500 followers, guys. I'm very excited about that. I'm getting close. And so if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. I have a lot more people watching than my subscriber base. And I'm not saying that to brag. I'm just saying that my numbers, I know there's a lot more people watching than subscribe. So if you could really help me out grow my channel, I would love to not just get to 500, but I'd really like to reach that 1,000 people mark of subscribers. So please feel free to take a minute just to hit the subscription and that bell notification. Right now we're going to dive into yet another ThredUp. This is going to be what did we call it? Comparing the boxes. Battle of the boxes, that's what it is. I do have more inventory coming to you guys. And I also am going to be doing a video here very soon about more things that I'm sending into ThredUp. If you have not yet watched the one about what the box that I sent in, probably about, oh gosh, it's been about a month and a half, maybe 2 months ago now. Not even that long ago. It wasn't that long ago. That was great. And I did order some things from Gap. If you would like me to share with you those things, but do stay tuned. Another couple videos is going to be coming up about what is going to ThredUp. I've got 2 more boxes for sure at least going in. I'm in the process of doing a lot of inventory clear out, y'all, for things that just aren't working. And it's not all just going to be going to garage sales. So stay tuned for all that, you guys. Okay, this is 2 more athletic boxes. I had great boxes last time. I don't know if these will be just as good. Let's find out. I've been excited to open these up. I'm getting to the point in my inventory where I actually need more stuff to get ready and get going. So let's dive in and see what we have in these 2. Okay, this is athletic. These are small, extra small boxes. This is actually a really nice purple jacket. It's got a floral on it, floral print on it. This is athletic, size small. This is a nice little 3/4 zip. I like this a lot. And of course it has the athletic there, side pockets. That's a great piece to start off with. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, this is Head. I've never heard of this before. Dry motion, moisture management. This is a skort, which I love because I do well with skort, y'all. Size small. I love the fact that it has pleats. It does have a pocket in the back, and it's new with tags. This retail for $45, so I'll probably definitely put these up for $25, $30, somewhere in there. Really great color too. I love that. Okay, we have Champion. I believe that's what that logo is, Champion. These are leggings. Now, I'm not typically selling these brands much anymore. So I'm actually doing an auction for athletic wear this weekend. So these look to be like brand new. I mean, these don't have any wear on them whatsoever. I might put those in auction. Okay, what do we have here? This is a windbreaker. And it is by, okay, it's ON. Okay, y'all, I'm not sure what this brand is. This is very new to me. Do y'all know what ON is? Is that, I'm presuming that's an O. ON. This is a really nice windbreaker jacket. It's in really good condition. This looks brand new. It's very crisp. There's no wear on it. Yeah, this is a brand new jacket, y'all. It just doesn't have tags on it. So, if you all know what this is, it is leather jacket, women's, size small. So, yeah, I will do some research on that brand and see what that is about. Okay, and then we have Dry Equip 365. Just some basic shorts. I might just go ahead and put these in auction too. Y'all know that the cog on these, I think it's like $3.60 was what my last boxes were. So these should be the same. So great cog, you guys. Okay, Champion. I might also put this up on my auction. This is in good condition, but again, I don't really sell Champion. So there's that. These are all either small or extra small. This one is, this one's a medium. Under Armour. I do sell Under Armour. This is in good condition, and it does have the breathability on the back here. It's got kind of a, yeah. What did they call that when it's like punctured out? Something like that. So that's a nice piece. Okay, what do we have here? Trying to take these apart. We have, okay, Gap Fit. So this is Gap. So there's that one. It's a nice piece. These are all, so far, in really good condition. They're not like stained, pulled, pilled, or anything like that, which is nice. Okay, this is another, okay, this is Exertion. I don't typically sell Exertion either. It's a nice color top, and again, in really good condition. But yeah, I don't typically sell that brand, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that one yet. Okay, more Under Armour. Another nice top. Probably sell this for maybe like $15. And, okay, what do we have here? Some pants. What is this? Offline, okay, this is Tangerine. This looks like Offline, but oh, this is Aerie. Okay, so some Aerie pants. These are very high-waisted. Gosh, it's too bad these are a small. Yeah, these are a small, a beautiful blue colorway. I will definitely list these. These are in excellent condition. These feel like they've never been worn. Really great condition. Okay, what else do we have? Some Calia, which is Carrie Underwood. Now, I've had a piece of hers in my closet before, and it really didn't get a lot of interest. I'll probably still list these because these look nice. The one I had before was just a really basic black top, but these are a little bit nicer. These are size small. I might be able to sell these for about $20. Okay, some more leggings. Okay, Fabletics. Power Hold. And it does still have the tag, which is great. Size small. So I might try to get like 20 for these. I don't typically seek out Fabletics. I wear Fabletics myself. I've had a lot of Fabletics in the past, but I don't seek out. Okay, Nike size small. Some crop pants. Okay, and then the last one in this box is Nike. Some great shorts. So there are those. One. Okay, so there are 15 pieces. Again, this box I think is like $34, so with tax, it's like 36 something, so it's like $3.60 a piece. Alright, so that box compared to the next box. Let's see what we got in this one. Alright. Nicely packed again. Oh, and these came from can't read upside down. Yeah, I think Georgia. Yep, this one came from Georgia also. I get pretty good stuff from Georgia. Okay, sorry, these are 54. So, with tax and everything. It's the phone boxes I think are 36. So, you're looking at, yeah, I'll have to do the numbers at the end. I'm not very good at that. I think it's like $3.85 for the 15. Okay, or something like that. I don't know. I'll have to look. Fabletics again. Okay, these are again, I think these were all size small. Yeah, so Fabletics. These have pockets. Nice black. These have some stitching. Okay, now see the stitching on these is coming out, so I don't know that I will resell those because the stitching is coming out on the waistline, and I like to sell items that are in better condition than that. Under Armour size small. This is a nice mock neck shirt. It's in good condition. Okay, more Fabletics. Oh, this is a skirt. I didn't know that they made skirts. And it's got a slit in it. And with spring and summer just around the corner, this is a nice colorway. I'll definitely list that one. Okay. What is this one? This looks like it's a 2-in-1. Okay, this is more Gap fit. Tank top that's kind of a 2-in-1 dealie. You got the sports bra inside with the tank top. See if I can arrange it so you can see it properly. Okay, there's the top. And then obviously you have the tank underneath it. There we go. There it is. Nice colorway. So I'll definitely list that. Probably try and get about 15 for that. Ooh, I got something nice in here. Okay. Is this more... What is this? Outdoor Voices. Okay, now see, I've never had Outdoor Voices before. It's a basic top. Looks to be in okay condition. So, yeah, I might try and put that up for a little bit. I have a code here. Let's pull this out and see what this is. Ooh, somebody had perfume on. Athleta size small puffer jacket. Very, very nice. So we had an Athleta piece in the last one. This one needs to be washed. They've got something all over this, so I'm going to have to wash this. But this is a very nice puffer jacket. So I'll wash that and get that up right away because, yep. Okay, more Gap fit. Nice piece. Love the colorway on this. We'll definitely list this. This is lightweight and it's got hood on it, so a hooded shirt. Very nice. We got some Columbia sportswear, which is great. Size small, short season, guys. These are perfect for the season coming up. Perfect, perfect. These are cute. You know what? These look like there's like no wear on them. These are super cute, and if they were worn, they weren't worn much. So I'm happy with that. I'm already getting a lot of interest in spring and summer things, guys. Okay, more Fabletics. Some crops with pockets. So there's those. Okay, Nike. I always love Nike. Ooh, these are nice too. They have the back pocket. And then they have the, oh, these are reflective with the side zip. So great for running. And they got some mesh here, so those are a nice pair. Again, these are all size small. Okie dokie. Next is, okay, this one has some wear Fabletics again. This one definitely, it's kind of a, it's an off-white color. So I'll probably definitely wash this just to make sure. Very lightweight muscle tank top. Okay, pulling the pieces apart. More Gap fit, a lot of Gap fit in these with the side tie. So I'm presuming I'll probably be able to put these up for like maybe 20 and hopefully get about 15 for them. Okay, this one I've never heard before. Glider. This is Glider. And it's a camel print. Have you all heard of Glider before? The logo on the bottom is still in really good shape. These do have some wear, but they're still in good condition. Great colorway too. So we'll do that. And then more Gap fit leggings. And these have, looks like a faux leather on them. So very nice. And then the last one is Gymshark. We got some Gymshark. Very nice. I love the Gymshark. I think between the Athletic and Gymshark, and then selling pieces here and there will definitely help to recoup. I don't know that I'll double my money on these particular boxes. The last 2 boxes were definitely better, we can all admit that. Got a lot of Lululemon and Athletic in those. I'm looking for a size on this one. And I don't see one. I don't know why they always have to make it so hard to find sizing on some of these athletic pieces. If y'all know how to find the sizing on Gymshark, they're really cute. They're kind of like a pink color. Not pink, burgundy. These are kind of a burgundy. But I'm just not seeing a size thing anywhere. Okay, let's count. Oh, this definitely needs to be washed. Okay, 15 pieces. Okay guys, so that is my second batch of athletic wear boxes. I do think that I will definitely make my money back on these. Whether or not I'll double is the question. We do have a couple good pieces in each box, which will be great. And then there's a lot of other little things, so hopefully maybe we might actually double our money. Stay tuned. If you want to see a 90-day update on this, please do subscribe so you can see that, along with other unboxings that we do. Updates on ThredUp, updates on other things that we're doing, unboxings, all those great things, y'all. Thank you again so much for watching this athletic unboxing. And guys, we'll see you in the next video.